Just like keyboards captivate typists and gamers with their responsive switches and robust design, stand-up desk converters have gained popularity among professionals and home office workers for promoting health, productivity, and comfort. In this guide, we evaluate the best stand-up desk converters, focusing on build quality, adjustment range. List number 1. Flexispot Electric Standing Desk Converter, 36-inch wide motorized stand-up riser. The Flexispot Electric Standing Desk Converter offers seamless adjustment at the push of a button. With its 36-inch wide workspace, it easily accommodates a monitor and laptop setup. The motorized lift is smooth, quiet, and supports heavy loads without wobbling. The two-tier design keeps your keyboard and mouse at an ergonomic height, while the upper platform remains stable for monitors. List 2. Vivo 32-inch Desk Converter K-Series. Height adjustable sit-to-stand riser, compact yet sturdy. The Vivo 32-inch K-Series desk converter is perfect for small workspaces. Its pneumatic spring mechanism allows for quick, smooth transitions from sitting to standing. The surface supports dual monitors or a monitor and laptop combo, while the lower tier is spacious enough for a full-sized keyboard and mouse. With its durable steel frame and ergonomic design. List number: Vivo 36-inch height-adjustable stand-up desk converter, V-Series. The Vivo 36-inch V-Series desk converter offers a larger work surface than the K-Series, making it ideal for dual monitor setups. It features a quick and quiet lift mechanism, ergonomic keyboard tray, and solid construction for stability. Its height-adjustable range is generous, suiting a variety of users and workspace configurations. The sturdy build and ease of use make it a favorite among users who want ample space and reliable performance for everyday sit-stand transitions. List number 4. techorbits Standing Desk Converter 32-inch Adjustable Sit-to-Stand Workstation. The techorbits Standing Desk Converter delivers excellent value with its affordable price and solid functionality. Its 32-inch surface accommodates 2 monitors, while the spacious keyboard tray allows comfortable typing and mousing. The gas spring lift makes adjusting height easy and smooth, and the build feels stable even at the maximum height. Its clean design, simple assembly. List number 5. Vivo 36-inch height-adjustable stand-up desk converter, V-Series Black Desk V00V. Another solid option from Vivo. The Desk V00V V-Series converter combines functionality with a sleek black finish. The 36-inch surface fits dual monitors comfortably, while the ergonomic keyboard tray and easy lift system promote a healthier workday. The sturdy steel frame ensures durability and stability during use, with quick setup, attractive design, and reliable performance.